Have you ever looked at your car's paint and thought it needed an expensive machine polisher to look good again? What if I told you that some hand polishes can remove light swirls, restore gloss, and leave behind protection without plugging in a single tool? So I tested 5 popular hand polishing products to find out which one is actually worth your money and which ones belong in the trash. And if you'd like to check current prices or pick up any of the products from today's test, you'll find links to all 5 down in the description below. To keep things fair, I'm looking at 4 things: shine, scratch removal, ease of use, and overall value. Let's get started. At number 5, we have New Finish Once a Year Polish and Sealant. This is one of the oldest and most popular paint protection products available today. Its biggest selling point is simplicity. There is no complicated process, no heavy buffing, and it can even be applied in direct sunlight. The ceramic infused formula is designed to help improve water beading while adding a glossy finish to the paint. It also helps hide minor imperfections and leaves behind a layer of protection that can last for months. The problem is that it doesn't offer much real correction. If your paint already looks decent and you simply want some extra shine and protection, it does the job. But if you're hoping to remove noticeable swirls or bring heavily faded paint back to life, you'll likely want something stronger. That's why it lands at number 5. At number 4, we have Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pro to the Max Graphene Wax. This product focuses heavily on gloss and long-term protection. The graphene-infused formula creates a slick finish, impressive water beading, and excellent resistance against the elements. Application is very straightforward, and the final finish looks fantastic, especially on darker paint colors. The shine is deep, reflective, and gives the paint a premium appearance. However, there is one major limitation. This is primarily a protection product rather than a true polish. While it enhances appearance, it doesn't remove many imperfections from the paint surface. So although the finish looks great, the correction ability is limited. That puts it at number 4. Coming in at number 3 is Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. Meguiar's has been a trusted name in detailing for decades, and this product shows exactly why. Ultimate Polish is designed to maximize gloss, deepen color, and improve overall paint clarity. It works especially well on darker vehicles where reflections and depth are easy to notice. The conditioning oils help create a rich, wet-looking finish that makes paint appear more vibrant. It also reduces light swirls and minor towel marks, helping the surface look cleaner and more refined. The downside is that correction power is still fairly limited compared to stronger polishing products. If your goal is maximum gloss before applying protection, this is an excellent option. For pure shine, it's one of the best products in this test. At number 2, we have Chemical Guys VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. This is where we start getting serious about paint correction. Unlike the previous products, VSS combines compound and polish technology into a single formula. That means it can remove light scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, haze, and other common paint defects while still producing a glossy finish. The one-step design saves time and makes the process much easier for beginners. After application, the paint looks noticeably clearer, smoother, and more reflective. For people who want visible before and after results without purchasing multiple products, VSS delivers excellent value. The only reason it misses the top spot is that it requires a bit more effort to achieve the absolute best finish. Still, it's one of the strongest performers in this entire test. And finally, at number 1, we have 3D Speed All-in-One Polish and Wax. This is the product that impressed me the most. 3D Speed combines paint correction, polishing, gloss enhancement, and protection into a single step. It removes light swirls, improves paint clarity, boosts shine, and leaves behind lasting protection. What really separates it from the competition is how balanced it feels. Many products are good at one thing and average at everything else. 3D Speed manages to do almost everything well. It spreads easily, wipes off effortlessly, and delivers results that look far more expensive than its price suggests. Beginners will appreciate how forgiving it is, while experienced detailers will appreciate the level of correction and gloss it provides. For hand polishing, it offers the best overall combination of shine, correction, ease of use, and protection. That's why 3D Speed takes the number 1 spot. So can you really polish a car by hand? The answer is yes. You May not achieve the same level of correction as a professional machine polisher, but with the right product, you can dramatically improve your car's appearance, restore gloss, reduce minor imperfections, and add meaningful protection. If you only want protection, New Finish and Turtle Wax are solid choices. If your goal is maximum gloss, Meguiar's Ultimate Polish is hard to beat. If you need stronger correction, Chemical Guys VSS is an excellent option. But if you want the best all-around hand polish in this test, 3D Speed is the clear winner. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AutoRift, and let me know in the comments which product you trust on your own car. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.